I eat, breathe, love YouTube. Yeah. And I thought I've got to share with people what I'm doing, how I'm creating my YouTube channel. For years I've thought I have to wait till I'm older, or I'm sorry, not till I'm older, but till I have more subscribers. I never have felt like I've been good enough on YouTube to share with how I've been successful. And I kept thinking I'll wait till I have 30,000 subscribers or 200K subscribers. And something today just kept telling me, just Tricia, press record and tell people to not give up. So that's what I'm doing. I'm saying don't give up. Editing skills. When I first started YouTube, zero editing skills. I didn't know how to do it. I just turned on the camera. At the time I had kids in school. I eventually settled down with Splice. Literally, it's just an app on your phone. Simple. I used Adobe Premiere Rush. I just have to do things fast. It's just faster for me to edit on my phone. My storage is horrible, by the way. I have tried going extra fancy with my editing skills, and that doesn't really seem to matter. The most important part is that you are yourself. I know you're gonna hear this from everyone, but it's true, you have to be yourself. And I've tried to impress people thinking, oh, they're gonna love my new editing skills. And there were a lot of people that were like, what are you doing? That's not you. You know, I liked it when you were you. And I was always trying to be me. I just wanted to show that I cared and that, you know, I had new fancy editing skills. So just make sure you're you. Nobody cares. Just the main thing also, the main tip is give people what they're looking for. Help solve their problems. If you can help solve someone's problems, well, you're going to soar in your niche. I have started dabbling in the ChatGPT thing and in video AI because I feel like we need to stay current. And it was my husband that had to really talk me into learning something new. I don't like learning things new because once I find something that works for me, I just want to stick with it. But it's always good to stay current and learn what is going on, you know, around you. And so I was so afraid of learning AI, but my husband was like, Tricia, when you were pregnant, you learned how to drive a Honda stick shift and you had to go to work and you learned how to do it in the rain. He's like an hour right before you had to go to work. He's like, if you did that, he goes, you could learn how to do AI. And that did it for me when he told me that. And so I was like, okay, I will learn this tool so that if I ever need to use it, I can. And my niche was, I started with hair videos and they were horrible, hair and makeup, but I thought I was going to do so good. I still leave some of those videos up just so y'all can see and to remind me that I have come a long way. I then did a cupping cellulite video of all things. This was years ago, and I did a series. I did one because I'd been to my physical therapist, and I was like, I've got to share this with people. Actually, I wanted to share just cupping therapy with people. And at the time, I was obsessed with cellulite. So I thought, I've got to show this to people, how to cup cellulite. And so I did a series. I think it was like over the 4th of July back then. It was about 7 years ago. Anyway, it took off. At the time, I was all over Google and all over YouTube. It has since slowed down, but that's okay. That's the other thing I wanted to tell you about. If your niche, you know, if your niche isn't working out, change it, pivot. It's okay. You need to be happy on YouTube. Do what makes you happy so that you can make others happy and in turn help others to solve their problems. And as long as you're doing that and you're happy with it, then you are going to thrive. So it's okay if your niche doesn't work out. It's okay to start over after 50. Start over. Just do what you love. My husband tells me all the time, he's like, Tricia, do what you love. If you don't feel like doing this type of video, don't do it today. He's like, do something you love. When the gurus say you gotta have a title and a thumbnail and it just like know your title ahead of time and your I never have my title ready. I've tried that, and then I try to work my video around it, and it just doesn't come out as genuine for me. I like to brainstorm my idea, film it, edit it, and then most of the time what has worked for me personally is then I come up with my title and my description and my tag. Also, using chatbot GPT for that is great too. What I've been trying lately is after I have my idea, I'll put it through chatbot GPT. I put it through there and run my idea through it, and then it helps generate a better idea, and then I use it as a guide and outline. I use what I want from it, and don't use what I don't want from that. You can make money on YouTube. There are channel memberships. You can get your own merchandise. I have my own merchandise that's cupping therapy tools and massage gun. I have a massage gun and cups and my own serum. And was that a difficult road to get all these products launched? Yes. Am I extremely successful with that? Still working on that. I don't earn a lot of money right now. Yes, that's okay because my passion is YouTube, and I don't know if it's okay, to be honest with you, but I know that I want to help people. My husband did recently get laid off, and so that's been quite a challenge for us, but that's okay. It's all going to be okay, and I'm here to tell y'all, just do your passion, do YouTube, just press record, be yourself. Don't worry about all the details and all the editing. Don't worry about special equipment. Just be yourself and start your channel. Make sure that if y'all love me, even if you don't, please give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you like about my video. Please subscribe. My birthday wish this year has been that you all subscribe, okay? I'm trying to show y'all that I don't want editing to get in the way from y'all loving your passion and sharing with people. So don't give up. Start a YouTube channel after 40, after 50. It's worth it, okay? You will love it, especially when you find that niche that you love. Oh my gosh, it is like an adrenaline shot, okay? So don't give up, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.